Boy, this next one looks a little tricky. It's up in there. The top of it is still there, so I can push that up. I'm pretty sure I can. Wow. I wonder if I should step on this this heater over here. I was trying not to have to do that. Boy. Okay. I guess I'll have to. Whew. Think light on my feet, I guess. That's how we're gonna do it. Like that about there. Look on the other one, because the other one's still here, so I'm holding it about the same height as that, and I'm gonna nail it in here. There it is. Hey. You know, this is the same thing a plumber would do if he was doing this for you. Other than the fact that when he got done, he'll be sending you a bill for his time and labor to fix this. Oh, I don't know, 150 bucks, maybe. And it cost you $3.50 per strap, and we got 4 straps, and that's all it's going to cost you if you do it yourself. Okay? Whew. Now, are you starting to get the theory? If you do things on your own, you can start saving some money. See that one there? That was the old one. Behind it, I pushed that one up as tight as possible. And here we got these 3 pieces right here. And I've got one more to go right there. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.